Jamaica man.
Bombo class.
I say yarn at the main spot. You see this land? Like this land I tell you now. No cheating. 100 by 100.
Okay.
Buy and build. People don't even they open their own to start foundation. Building don't they. Waiting again they wait for. Give push entering first. Look, no say commit us. Bombo class. What? What a guan.
Say no more. Bush entry.
Stop! Funky Chief, you are this again?
Loody White.
This is one of the land grabbers we have in town.
Hey!
Samai, come on. I just saved it from one of his tricks.
Slime.
God have mercy upon us.
You have eyes, but you cannot see.
Eh?
Haven't you heard about the updates in town? I'm talking about the legal trend in town, which is Flourish Estate. Flourish Estate is a legal estate. You have free documentation, no push entry. They're on their hot sales this period. What are you waiting for? And as for you, Funky Chief, stop doing this to people.
Wait, you be one color our money, Abi.
You know, boy, hunger thing.
Join us, Funky Chief.
Bombo clot. What we do with this man? Say no more. Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Bombo, 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 bombo.
Yeah, this is Jamaica man. They are here to buy land property. It's our Flourish Estate, located here in Rupoko, Alo Link Road. It's 15 minutes drive from the Obirikwere flyover and 5 minutes drive from Rupoko Market Junction. You can also access the airport, the Port Harcourt International Airport, from this estate. This estate is 100% dry. As you can see, we already fixed the internal roads. Can see we have the solar street lights. This estate will be fully electrified.
Say no more. This man. This update is Bombo Cloud. Okay.
This is a lovely update, man. I like what I see here.
This is quite very impressive. I love the environment. It looks really...
Wow. Oh boy, finally I don't get a legit compass. Child, Loody White, thanks for this pass.
Okay, let me take you guys for a few walks. Let's see the environment. These are Flourish Estate. Once you make your initial deposit of 5 million naira, you get a 100k shopping voucher.
Wow.
You can go to Spa to pick up whatever you want with that 100k shopping voucher. But if you make a full payment, like an outright payment, we'll give you a 200k shopping voucher. Wow. That is beautiful. You also have a bag of rice together with your payment. The bag of rice comes when you make your first initial deposit of 5 million naira or the outright payment of 12.5 million naira. You also have a 4-liter groundnut oil attached to it. That's amazing. You're shopping and you're gaining a lot of things.